Hello friends, what are the requirements and challenges that we faced during the development of a multi-fuel engine? I am going to tell you now. Multi-fuel engines are internal combustion engines that is able to run with diesel fuel, crude oil, IP4, even lubricating oil and with the light fuel like gasoline. The most suitable design for making an engine that is able to run with multi-fuels is the combustion ignition engine design, which have a higher combustion ratio. Let's talk about the requirement of a multi-fuel engine. We might need a high thermal efficiency, which means the heat loss from the engine must be very small to have this. High operating temperature of the engine will help to self-ignite the fuel that is used in this kind of engine, and the engine must be able to cold start without an external agency. The engine must be able to provide better NVH, and it must not be harmful for the environment because the emission from the engine must be in a controllable manner. For satisfying all these, the engine must have high combustion ratio, high stroke to bore ratio, which is the L/B ratio, or the engine must be underscore engine, and it has to be open combustion chamber design, and the injection pump used in this engine must be flexible. The challenges are by using fuels like gasoline, which is probably a light fuel which is highly volatile. It must be lead to high vapor lock tendency. The light fuel like gasoline doesn't have a better lubrication property, so it will lead to high wear in the pump and all the fuel feed system components. The injection system must be very flexible because we need to provide variety of injection quantity and volume to control the emission strategy and the performance. For satisfying the emission standards, we know that using different fuels will lead to different kind of emission from the same engine at various RPM. So it will lead to the exhaust after treatment devices very complex and very bulky, which will lead to back pressure and lack of performance of the engine. It is very difficult to design a multi-fuel engine that is capable of running perfectly without compromising the emission norms that is set by the government. If you learned about the requirement and challenges of designing a multi-fuel engine, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updated in the automotive industry and hit the bell icon to get notified every time when I make a new upload. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and bye.